Wow! Wow! It tastes really good. Delicious.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple, easy, yet delicious and nutritious corn soup. The ingredients we need are very simple. They can be found in anywhere you live, I believe. Okay, to no further ado, let's get started.
Here are the ingredients we need. Of course, we need for main ingredient 2 sweet corns, and then 2 medium carrots, 3 to 4 soaked shiitake mushrooms, and 2 eggs. And for the second group ingredients, they are sesame oil, soy sauce, salt, pepper, and sugar. And for garnish, it is optional. You can use this black vinegar. Any black vinegar will do. Rinse the corns cleanly. Okay, let's settle this shiitake. And I have done this shiitake in my previous video. I forgot to press the water, squeeze out the water, the excess water. And for this recipe, I usually thinly slice the shiitake, and then I will saute with a pan and some soy sauce. Please go back to my previous video on how to make vegan meat with shiitake mushrooms. I will put the link in the description, okay? And guys, you may use some enoki mushrooms too. Any type of mushrooms is okay, but for me, shiitake mushroom, dried shiitake mushrooms, which have been sauteed with soy sauce, it will give a very special fragrance to this soup. Because this corn soup is more to Chinese style corn soup, because I'm using sesame oil, and I will be using soy sauce and some black vinegar. Maybe some of you prefer to put some glass noodle. It will be okay too. It is fine to use any ingredients you like, okay? So prepare a big bowl, a clean big bowl, or you may grate the carrots and the corn directly inside the pan or the pot that you are going to use, okay? But I prefer to use it in a separate bowl. So I'm going to use this side, okay? Be careful with your hand. If it is already small like this, no need to grate anymore. You can throw it away or you can eat it. because it is dangerous, yeah, to grate with this, and if it is slippery, then your hand will be cut. Now I am continuing to grate the second carrot. And guys, you see, like this is already not nice, you know, this end. So I prefer to throw it away. This is the amount of 2 carrots. Okay. And now I'm going to move the grated carrots into the pot that I'm going to use to cook the soup. Okay. And I'll use back this bowl to grate the corn. And for the corns, you may choose which shape you prefer. So maybe I'm going to use this part, or this is also okay. The same with the carrots. But I'll try this first. Let me see how it looks. I think it's okay. This is good. Be careful when you grate the corns, okay? No rush, okay? And for this, guys, don't throw it away. After you have grated, keep the corn cob, okay? Set aside, okay? Let's move it into the pot. Okay. Set aside.
Uh-oh.
We need about 650 to 750 milliliter of water. In order not to waste the corn and the leftover carrot in this grater, I like to rinse the grater with the water that I'm going to cook, okay? And same with the corn cob. I'll rinse it and wash it here. But make sure your hands are clean, okay? I have washed my hand. Some people like to cook this corn cob inside the soup. But I prefer not to do it because this is not organic corn, okay? We can rinse this too. Okay. This is not yet 750, yeah? This is only 500. I'll add some more. Okay. So we are going to bring this to boil, okay? So while waiting for the soup to be boiled, I have salted these mushrooms, okay? Please check it out in the description how to do it, okay? To save the time. We can also prepare the beaten egg while waiting for the soup. But if you are vegan, you can skip the egg, okay? If you don't use egg, maybe you can add some tofu or bean curd, the fresh bean curd, to get the protein, okay? Because this corn soup has no protein, only a bit mushrooms. So I want it to be nutritious and with rich of protein. So I'm using eggs. So we are ready with our shiitake mushrooms and the egg. I want to try some. I like it. It tastes chewy and the soy sauce make it fragrant. Guys, please don't leave the soup while you are boiling it because we don't want it to come out from the pot. And once in a while, you can stir it. It is boiling now. We can put in the shiitake mushrooms that we have salted. Bring it to boil again. Stir it again, slowly. Oh yes, guys, I forgot that we have to put a bit of cornstarch or potato starch or tapioca flour, so it will taste smoother. But it is okay, it is fine if you don't like the cornstarch or tapioca flour. But maybe I'll put a little bit. And at this point, it is already bit boiling. We can turn the heat to medium high. So it is easier for us to take care of the soup from flowing out from the pot, okay? Let us put in the salt. About 1 teaspoon salt. And then 1 teaspoon of sugar. And we wait it boil again. Then we can put in or pour in the beaten egg, okay? Before I put in the egg, I will put in the tapioca flour. So guys, in here I'm using 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Mix it with some water. Then mix them well. Then pour it into the boiling soup slowly by stirring it. Okay. And now I can pour in the beaten egg, okay? Bring it to boil again. We can pour in the egg now. Make a circle motion to get a smooth egg layers, okay? Slowly stir it. Yeah, it looks fine. See? And now we can add the pepper. But if you cook for kids, you can skip it, okay? I love pepper. It can make my body warm. Turn off the heat. And now we can add some sesame oil. If you don't like it, it's okay. In here, I only put half a tablespoon, okay? And for the black vinegar, we add in when it is going to be served. It's done. It smells good. Let me try it. Wow, it tastes sweet and savory. It's good. Serve it when it is still warm. Add in some soy sauce so it will taste fragrant. And if you have black vinegar, add some also. Trust me, this black vinegar make it very special taste. Wow, wow, it tastes really good, delicious. Try it, okay? So guys, today we have learned how to make a nutritious, healthy, delicious, and easy corn soup. Try it, okay? I hope you enjoy watching my cooking video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? Thanks for watching. See you in my next cooking video. Bye bye.